Everyone, in this today video I want to show you how to replace your background in a Zoom meeting. So if you have a cluttered background and you want something very professional, this is the right video for you. I'm gonna show you how to use the default backgrounds that comes with Zoom, and I'm gonna show you how to use any video or image that you want. Here computer which you have saved in your laptop or desktop. So for now, suppose I will go in my downloads and I will choose any of this background. So I will choose suppose this one also. Then you can see here it's downloaded and supported in my laptop. So it's look quite nice, and even you can rotate this one, and from here you can choose and click this one and this one. Now you can see it's looking quite nice, and in this way you can choose your virtual background and it is very nice. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for easy to follow tech videos posted every single day, and I will catch you in next time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.